Hi everyone, today I came to visit one outlet called MK Innovates. This comes in a street called Chamrajpet in 9th Main Road, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes in a complex called MK House. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is this Koti Park. You just put in Google, right opposite to this. You can just see there is a street. Inside this street you go in the dead end and his outlet is going to come. So when you come little bit forward, you can just check in the dead end. This is a complex MK house. In this complex, you have to go in second floor. You have to go like this. So this MK Innovates. You can just have a look in second floor. This MK Innovates and just check this huge outlet. Men, women, kids, all major brands you'll get here for wholesale price. Very big wholesaler. Minimum you'll have to buy 20 to 30 pieces. When you come here, if you want to buy single piece also you can buy, and you can just check the stock and the collections. Lot of people order and it's getting dispatched to different parts of India and all, because the price that you're getting all these things is almost 60 to 70 to 80% discount on this. Any more detail, you can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all details. Whenever you come here, you can meet Mr. Harshit Jain. He is the point of contact. So what are you going to show, Harshit?
So we are having arrow accessories.
So this is original arrows.
Yeah, 100% original with MRP and brand mention will be provided.
You can just see the box. You can show with company. You can just check. And if you want entire box also, you can pick up entire box, right?
Everything is with MRP.
Okay. How much is the discount on this? Like this
around 80% off.
80%. Yeah. So on 3,500, 80%.
Yeah, it will cost around 600.
600. Just for 600, you're getting this. Okay. This is all tie and all, right?
Yeah. This is the 3-piece, 1 pocket square,
okay,
1 brochure, and 1 tie.
Okay. What is the MRP on this?
So the MRP is 2,700.
Okay. On this, how much discount?
80%.
80% discount on this also, and you can just check.
These are only cufflinks and tie.
Okay.
The accessories gifting. This is for 3,000 rupees, okay, which will cost you 600 rupees.
How much quantity you are having in this? Like
I am having around 500 pieces in each and every variety.
Okay, so if you want, you can pick entire box.
Yeah.
Online minimum 20 to 50 piece, but when you come here, you can buy single piece. Next, what are you going to show? This is Dixie Scott.
Yeah,
okay,
we are having Dixie Scott.
On this also 160, 70.
So these are for flat rates. This will cost you, the MRP is around 300.
Okay.
We are providing it for 50 rupees.
50. Oh, superb, yeah. How much piece comes in one box?
There are 10 pieces in this box.
Okay.
Each
nice
size.
So this entire thing you can just see almost like this is 80% discount.
80% off.
This all is 80% discount.
Each and every item in our store is for 60 to 80%.
Multi brands you are getting here.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
we are having Dixie Scott brief.
Okay.
Trunk vest. Sorry.
Okay. Size what and all we'll get in this? Men's?
We are having from 80 to 105.
80 to 105. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So the MRP is 272. Okay. We provide it for 58 rupees per piece.
Super, 58 rupees.
Piece.
Just people want to know why you are giving such discount. Some people.
We get it from the brands.
Okay.
What the
you buy in bulk.
Yeah, we buy in bulk,
okay,
like 1,000, 10,000 pieces. So we get it for cheap ranges.
Okay. This which brand?
This is Aurelia.
Wow.
We are having W and Aurelia.
Okay.
Footwear for women's.
Okay. What size to what size we get in this?
So we are having it from 4 to 8.
4 to 8. Yeah. Okay. And like how much is the discount on this? 70 to 80%.
Yeah. Each and every product in our office is for 70 to 80%.
So normally how much this cost? This one?
So the MRP of this is 1,600. We are providing it for 300 rupees.
300 rupees you are getting Aurelia brand. So many collections are there. You can just check. Not possible to show everything. All mixed it is.
Yeah.
So if you want, like how much you are having right now in this one? 100, 200, 500?
Yeah, we are having 500 pieces.
500 pieces. If you want, you can come, you can pick it up. And here also you can just see this is Aurelia and W. W में आप एक बता दोगे W में क्या आता है?
So W is the premium version of Aurelia.
Okay. In this also 70 to 80%.
Yeah.
How much piece you are having? 500,000 in this?
Yeah, we are having 1,000 pieces in hand right now.
Okay, you are getting only like slippers or shoes?
No, we get each and everything, but as of now we are having slippers.
Okay.
So then we are having saris. The average
saris.
MRP of the saris is 1,800, 1,500.
Okay.
And we are giving it for 300 rupees.
Wow, superb. All original this is.
100%
all original.
You
can just see this is Aurelia, W. In this also a lot of varieties are there. So if you want, you come here or call them. They'll send you all detail. Next, what are you going to show?
So then we are having backpacks of Aeropostal brand.
Okay. How much is the MRP?
So the MRP is 2200.
Okay.
We are providing it for 350 rupees.
350 rupees. Size what we get? Like medium, big,
So
and all?
these are all school bags and laptop bags.
Okay.
We are having Optima then.
How much collections you having in this one? 500,000 again.
Yeah, we are having 1000 pieces, but the designs are more than 25 designs we have.
Okay. Quantity, if someone wants 1000, 2000, they can get.
Each and everything I am having in our store
Okay.
is more than 1000 pieces. Sir, this is what is kids brand,
Okay.
which is very famous from
Toffee
Kolkata,
House.
Toffee House.
Okay.
So we are providing this for 75% off.
Okay, 75% for girls and boys. Oh, unisex this is.
Girls and boys both.
Okay. What and all we'll get in kids here right now?
So we are having shirts.
Okay.
We are having frocks.
Okay.
We are having t-shirts.
Okay.
We are having two-piece set.
Okay.
We are having this.
Complete things you'll get.
Yeah,
Shoes and
each
slippers
everything.
also you'll
Yeah,
get.
we are not having slippers right
Okay.
now, but
Garment you'll get.
Yeah.
Clothing. Okay. So this also for girls and boys.
Yeah.
You can just check.
this is a frock with cap.
Okay. This is a frock with cap. So lot of varieties are
Yeah,
there.
there are
We
lot
are just
of
showing you a glimpse. If you want, you come and check. You will get all the details. And it's only wholesale online. 20 piece, 50 piece like that. And full payment, no credit and all. And the next, this is also what?
So these are winter wear of kids.
Okay.
The MRP is 600 rupees. We are providing it for 100 rupees.
Wow, yeah, super. What a golden opportunity. If you're a reseller, you can come. It's a golden time for you. And it's like year-end sale also, no?
Yes, sir.
Year-end sale.
And we have this sale for 365 days.
365 days. And they have retail outlet separate. This is a
Yes.
wholesale one. Okay.
Having Proline. This is
Okay.
a Reliance brand.
Okay.
Very popular for active wear.
Okay. Fitness wear.
Yeah, fitness wear. At least here.
Okay. What size to what size we get in this?
S2 double XL, sir.
T-shirts.
Yeah. No, this is two-piece set.
Oh,
Short set.
nice. How much is the like,
We
discount?
are giving it for 370 rupees.
370.
Yeah,
Discount
the
is like how
MRP is around 2000 rupees.
much? Okay.
We are providing it for
So
370.
reseller can easily sell for 1000 rupees also.
Yeah.
Okay, see, entire
the
box
retail.
comes like this. If you want, you can pick the entire box like this. And then next,
Sir, this is according to today's trend.
Okay.
Mocklin.
Okay.
Waffle shirts.
okay,
We are this is the set-wise stock. ML, XL, 3 sizes, set-wise master pack. There are 25 colors.
okay. Basically, you have everything, yeah. This
Yes.
time, like, this is the best video I think I made with you. These are shirts. What
Yes,
size
sir.
to what size we'll get?
Sir, these are ML, XL.
These are ML XL.
Yes.
अच्छा कितना discount?
There are 25, 30 colors. The MRP is around 1500 rupees.
Okay.
We are giving it for 220 rupees.
220 rupees per shirts.
Yeah.
How many varieties of shirts you'll get here?
There are 25 plus colors in this.
Okay.
Our starting range of shirts is of 135 rupees.
So you can just check like this shirt. 135.
Yeah.
135 is the starting
Yeah,
price.
we have a starting rate of 135 rupees.
Okay.
And it goes till 700
And how
rupees.
much varieties of shirts right now you are having for men? 100,
In our
200?
office They are having around 15.
Like this?
Yeah, like the quantity you are asking.
Varieties,
for,
design.
Varieties, designs. In this, we are having 35
No,
designs.
total.
Totally, there are more than 500 designs.
500.
Yeah.
And quantity?
Quantity is more than 5,000, 10,000.
So if someone wants that, 1,000, 2,000, they can get.
Yeah, they
So
can even take 50 pieces.
So this all are the collections of the shirts. You can just have a look. This all rayon shirts.
Yeah, these are rayon shirts.
Okay.
According to today's trend.
Okay.
ML XL.
ML
There are more
XL
than
will
30 colors in this.
Starting price is for half shirt,
These are for 240 rupees.
240 rupees.
And
Okay.
each and everything is 22 kg rayon.
Okay.
So not the...
Cool. Then if you want men's shirts also, they have full quantity here. Then next, what you're going to show?
We are having Zara bags.
Okay, these are Zara bags. You can just check. Original Zara. This is how much discount you're giving on this? 80%.
For wholesale, we are giving it about 75 to 80%.
75 to 80% discount they are giving on Zara bags. You can just check. In this one, how much collections you are having? Varieties.
In this, there are more than 50 varieties. We
And
can't
stock?
even... We
10,000.
are having around 1000 pieces right now.
1,000 piece. So if you want 1,000 piece also, you can pick 80% discount they are giving. How much is this normally? I'm asking.
See, the regular selling prices in the showrooms is 2,590.
Okay.
We are providing it for 500 rupees.
500 rupees you're getting. Yeah, cool. Original.
Original.
Okay.
And 6,000 rupees is the MRP.
Okay. Wow, nice.
We'll give you for 1,200.
1,200. Okay, superb. This is the entire box.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the entire box of Zara. You can just check if you want. In how much piece comes in this box? Like,
It depends, sir. In some we get 50 pieces, in some we get 5 pieces.
okay,
It depends on the size of the bags.
very nice.
So this
Superb,
is
yeah.
the duffel bag.
Okay, and all prices are different.
Everything are on MRP basis.
MRP based. Okay, cool. पर ये जो बॉक्स है इसमें एक ही स्टैंडर्ड प्राइस होगा ना?
No.
अलग अलग
Everything
different.
else.
Okay, this is also Zara. Okay, nice. You can just see here the brand.
This is a sling bag of Zara.
Okay,
The MRP is 8,000 rupees.
okay,
We will provide you for 1,600.
1,600. Okay, next, what you are going to show?
We are having flying machine.
Okay.
Men's shirts.
Nice, yeah. How much discount on this?
So these are for flat pricing. We are giving it for 450 rupees.
450 rupees.
This is the packing condition.
Size?
S2 3XL.
Full shirts.
Yeah, full shirts. Yes.
Okay, in this one, how much quantity you are having?
Sir, I'm having 2000 pieces in
2000 pieces flying machines. Kai.
Yeah.
Flying machine 2000 pieces are there. So if you're interested in buying, you can buy this also. Size he has already told. Then next what you're going to show?
We are having flying machine collar t-shirts.
Okay, collar t-shirts. Flying machine का बहुत आया हुआ. Okay, cool. What is the size in this?
So the average MRP is 1500. Okay. We are providing it for 325 rupees.
325 rupees. And in this, how much varieties you are having? 150.
There are more than 50 colors.
And quantity?
Quantity, even in this we are having 1000 pieces.
1000 pieces are there. And it can get over any time.
Yeah.
Right? These all are running pieces, all these things. You can just see. These all are the t-shirts. Okay.
Sir, every week we get around new item, new stuff and new brands.
Okay. Keeps replacing, keeps moving, right?
And every next week, when we receive the new goods, the old one are...
Old one. So, abhi ye present ke liye, for future what it will be, that you have to contact...
We are having flying machine jeans.
Okay. Size what we'll get in jeans?
So, we are having from 28 to 38.
28 to 38. And what is the discount on this?
So, there is no... I can't tell you the discounts. There are around 3000. There are various MRPs.
Okay, how much is this?
2500 to 3500. All the MRPs. We are providing it for 600 rupees.
600 rupees. And इसमें कितना variety मिलेगा आपके पास?
There are 10 to 15 colors in jeans.
And quantity?
Quantity 1000 pieces.
1000 pieces are there in flying machine also. And then next, what is this? Which
These are flying machine round necks.
Round necks, okay. And in this, how many varieties one?
So there are more than 35 colors.
Okay.
And designs.
Okay.
We are providing it for 250 rupees.
250
You'll even get full sleeves at the same pricing.
Okay, and quantity, how much you are having?
We are having 1000 pieces.
1000 pieces, okay, yeah, superb, 250. एक box में कितना piece आता है generally?
100 pieces.
100 pieces will come, okay. So what about this? What is this brand?
So this is here and now Myntra based brand. Okay. Very popular in youngsters, Gen Z.
Okay, Gen Z. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the starting price? Discount, sorry.
Sir, the MRPs are from 1800 to 4000.
Okay.
All MRPs are there.
Okay.
I am having 15,000 pieces in this.
Okay.
Our price is 250 rupees.
250 rupees is amazing, yeah. Quality is amazing. What and all, like, how much varieties we are having?
There are more than 100 varieties.
100 and quantity?
Quantity 15,000 pieces.
15,000, great opportunity for you. What is the starting price you said?
For shirts, it's from 135. This will cost you 250 rupees.
250 rupees, fantastic.
And these
Chinese
are
collar.
Chinese collar, and all the fabrics are according to today's trend.
Okay, and size what we'll get in this?
From S to 3XL.
S to 3XL you get. Wow.
All these boxes are the stock.
Okay, so this entire thing is a stock. You can just check off here and now. 15,000 stock is there.
Oversized t-shirts.
Oh, oversized. Plus size you have.
Oversized, but
drop shoulders. Nice. What is the starting price in this? Discount?
This drop shoulder will cost you 150 rupees.
150 rupees, okay. And how much varieties you having?
So there are 15 to 20 colors and designs. And each
stock?
and every item is back print, with back prints.
Very nice, yeah. Stock?
I am having around 5,000 pieces.
5,000. And size क्या आता है इसमें?
In this you will get from S to 3XL.
S to 3XL, drop shoulders. Okay. Yeah. So this entire thing, and in one, this entire bundle, how many t-shirts will come?
In this there are 200 pieces.
200 pieces. Okay. So if you want to lift up, you can lift up 200 pieces also. Okay.
Then we are having Slazenger pants.
Okay. This is what like size?
These are from S to XXL.
And how much is the discount on this?
So the average MRP is 1,800 to 2,000. Each and every MRP is available in this.
Okay.
We are providing this for 270 rupees.
270 rupees. And variety is 100 I think. 50 and quantity?
1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces are available right now. Okay. And anytime it gets over, so if you want, contact him.
We get refill of each and everything. We will have another brand.
Okay.
Instead of Slazenger, we'll have some other brand.
Yeah. For wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having awesome collections for men, women and kids. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love the collection. Then it's up to you. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.